Welcome to the Hartford Boat Show 2019. This is the 50th anniversary being held at Mohegan Sun Casino. My name is Keith Abel. I work for MarineMax, and today I'm going to take you through the 245 dual console Sailfish. These boats are built down in Georgia. They've been building boats for over 30 years. This particular boat is powered with a single 250 Yamaha 4-stroke with a stainless steel prop. You can see the nice ski pylon that does retract. As we enter the boat, we do have a freshwater shower, plenty of seating and storage, flip-flopping seats. You do have an additional seat in the back that does get out of the way, does flip down, and also another pull-out seat on the port side. There's plenty of storage. As we move to the front of the boat, the bow of the boat, we do have a beautiful head. There's a sink, plenty of other storage, cup holders. And then we come to the bow of the boat. Very nice seating, pop-up cleats, pop-up nav lights, in-floor storage. For more information, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and see you on the water.